Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a right hand fender off a 2013 BMW 328i. As you can see, my headlight and bumper, they were broken off from the accident, so they're not here. So I'll just show you how to take the bumper off. I mean, you have these two bolts right here, they're 8mm. Once you unscrew that, you'll be able to get the bumper out of the way. Then you come up here, you got a 10mm right here, and you got these three clips, 1, 2, 3. I'll show you, I already kind of popped them out. All you have to do is kind of pull that little top part out. And then you'll be able to pull the clip out. You might need a clip tool for it. Then you got one more right here. Once you get that out, you can actually go ahead and just get this piece completely out. And then you have another 10mm right there, another 10mm right there. Top is done. Then you come down here. So you have another 10mm right there, 10mm right there. Come over here, that's an 8mm, and that's a T30. T30 right there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 10mm, an 8, and a T30. Then you got these clips right here. There's 3 of them. All you gotta do is push the center out, grab a clip tool, and pops right out. Then that part is done. Then you drop down. Then right here, you have a T30 and 2 more 8mm. Once you unscrew those 3, the fender liner will be able to come off completely. And you have actually one more, if you can see it, one more 8mm right in there. So a total for the bottom. And then if you want, then you unbolt these T30s down the side skirt, and it'll allow you to get the side skirt free, and you'll be able to get in there to unbolt the other bolts for the fender. I'll show you once I get there. I'll record it and I'll show you how to go from there. Once you got your fender liner off and you got all these 3 10mm out, and all that, it's all freed. Come in here, if you look, you'll see these 3 tabs coming out of the side skirt. On each side, the front one is on this side. On the left side of it, you gotta press in. The other ones are, the center one's on the right and the back one's on the left. You press those in and it'll allow you to pop it down. But first, before you do that, there's a wire right here. You see the white little clip on it? You wanna use a clip tool, pry it out so it's out of the way. That way it doesn't come down with the side skirt. Then you'll be able to pry those out, pull the side skirt down. Once you pull it down, you'll be able to pull it, get it to pop. And once you pop it, you just go through, open the door. And then you'll be able to get another little clip tool or a pry bar, whatever you want to use. Just be careful not to scratch your paint job. And just start from up there and work your way down. I go about halfway so that way you can get the side skirt out of the way and get the last 10mm, and you actually have one more 10mm right there behind the door. So don't forget about that one. Once you got the side skirt out of the way, if you look right here, the last 10mm are right there, and you'll be able to remove your fender. And I'll show you that when it's fully off. I'll do that and I'll show you the rest. So once you get that 10mm bolted, you have the one back there. Forgot to show that earlier. Camera focus, yep, right there. And you actually have one more right here, right by that where the headlight was set. And then once you unbolt all that, yeah, I'll go run through again. 10mm right there, 10mm, 10mm. Then you have the 3 clips up top. Then all those pieces for the fender liners, side skirt, all that. Once that's all free, and you got the 10mm over there. That's all free. You should be able to pull the fender off without any problems. And there you go. And when you're installing, just backtrack everything the way you did for reinstallation.